Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create recurring tasks on Monday.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Monday.com, I need you to click the Get Started option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating recurring tasks in Monday.com is a great way to automate repetitive work, ensuring tasks are scheduled consistently without manual intervention. Now, I'm working here on the specific task, which is how to create recurring tasks on Monday.com. What I wanted to do is click on Add Column, right? In this case, and I need you to click on the status. I'm gonna rename this one as recurring task. All right. After that, I'm gonna make sure that now when you add another column, you see there's gonna be like a different color, like done, working on it, stuck, and gray label. What I want you to do now, because this is going to be a recurring task, I want you to click on the small plus button. When you hover your mouse, there's like a small page, right? You see that? The changes, right? I want you to click on it. And for example, I'm going to say maybe daily update because this is going to be a recurring task, right? So it does make sense to add here some daily update, all right? Let's say daily update. I'm gonna customize this one, maybe like bold, a little bit of color, maybe underline, and add some file. Now for the daily update, I'm gonna put in some image of the Andy Guides logo. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Click on update. And then the next one is we're going to put another one, which is going to be weekly update. Because this is going to be a recurring task, isn't it? Change the color to maybe yellow for now. And put in some file if you wanted. Click on update. And the last one is going to be like maybe a monthly update for the specific recurring task. So it's all up to you. You can customize this anyway. I'm going to choose a different color for this one and click on update. Now the next steps are very important. I want you to click on this and go to the automate option at the upper right corner. Okay, I want you to go to the board automation speaker because we're going to create an automation from this recurring tasks. All right, if you haven't already, click on the add automation. Now this is, for example, when this happens, then do this. Okay, I must search for the status like this one and then do this, which is, okay, I'm gonna select this one. No, this is gonna be the recurring task. Done, and then now I want you to put in set a date, all right? And then we need to click on this plus button to add another automation, which is, and then we need to click on the push, which is by some days, it's going to be 30 days, depending. If you wanted to have a weekly update, or that's going to be 1 day. And then if it's week, like 7 days, and maybe for the monthly days, it's going to be 30 days. Click on set, and of course, create automation. And that's how you create recurring task on Monday.com, all right? That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.